Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on a Porsche 911. First, make sure your Porsche 911 is in park or neutral for safety. Next, insert the key into the ignition slot, which is typically located to the left of the steering wheel. With the key in place, firmly press down on the brake pedal. This is a crucial step before starting the engine, ensuring the vehicle remains stationary. Once the key is inserted and your foot is on the brake, turn the key clockwise to the first position. You'll notice various dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the car's systems are powering up. Give it a moment for these checks to complete. Then, continue turning the key clockwise to the final position to engage the starter motor and bring the powerful engine to life. As soon as the engine roars to life, release the key, and it will spring back to the on position. It's a good practice to let the engine idle for a short period, perhaps 30 seconds, especially when cold, to allow fluids to circulate. Quickly scan your dashboard for any persistent warning lights, ensuring all systems are operating correctly before you drive. With the engine running smoothly and no warning lights, you're almost ready to go. Select your desired gear, either drive or reverse, depending on your direction. If the parking brake was engaged, release it now. Finally, gently press the accelerator pedal to begin moving. Enjoy the exhilarating experience of driving your Porsche 911.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.